Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to explore how you can pave your path to financial freedom without the need for debt relief options. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1 is giving yourself a wake-up call. Your debt isn't disappearing, and interest keeps adding up. If action isn't taken, it could lead to several possible outcomes down the road. You might end up stuck paying credit card interest indefinitely, facing bankruptcy, or feeling forced into one of the available programs, something you're currently not considering. With that said, as hard as it must be, gather all your bills, statements, and credit reports. Understanding the full scope of your debt is the first step towards taking control. Step 2. Create a budget that works for you. Take a close look at your income and expenses. Cut back on non-essential spending and allocate as much as you can towards debt repayment. Remember, every dollar counts. Making lifestyle changes is the toughest part of becoming debt-free. Here are some suggestions you might find helpful. Many people tend to grab a coffee and donut on their way to work, and/or eat out for lunch a few times a week. It might not seem like much, but each month, that could add up to $100 monthly or $1,200 a year, which could be put towards paying off debt. Instead of financing a new car, think about purchasing a reliable older used one like a Toyota. This decision reduces your payments and lowers insurance and gas expenses, saving you around $3,000 a year that you can use to pay off debt. The average Canadian family spends about $1,358 per month, or $1,600 annually on groceries in 2023. By hunting for deals, cutting back on junk food, minimizing food waste, and transforming meals into new dishes, you could save around 30%, which is $48.90 per year. Other expenses can be adjusted, but just focusing on the ones mentioned, totaling almost $9,100, can significantly reduce your debt burden. Step 3. Track your spending. Use technology to your advantage by utilizing budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses. This will help you stay accountable and identify areas where you can trim costs. Step 4. Avoid relying on your credit cards for every purchase. If you've budgeted and still need to use a credit card, pay it off right away to avoid extra interest charges. One common mistake people in debt make is only paying the minimum due, then using those funds for new purchases. The goal is to eliminate debt, so by cutting expenses and paying more than the minimum, you'll see significant progress in reducing credit card debt. Step 5. Prioritize your debts. List your debts from smallest to largest or highest interest rate to lowest. Choose a repayment strategy that works best for you, whether it's the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. Step 6. Negotiate with creditors. Don't be afraid to reach out to your creditors to discuss repayment options. They may be willing to lower your interest rates or set up a more manageable payment plan. Host. Step 7. Increase your income. Consider picking up a side hustle or freelancing gig to boost your income. Any extra money you earn can be put towards your debt, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Host. Step 7. Stay motivated and consistent. Paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress along the way and stay committed to your goal of becoming debt-free. And there you have it, folks. By taking control of your finances and implementing these strategies, you can pave your path to debt freedom. Remember, you've got this. If you found the content helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.